Listen up, you lot. Think hitting 40 means saying goodbye to delicious food? Think you have to survive on bland salads and prune juice? You're having a laugh. We're about to tackle those cravings and get you feeling bloody brilliant. This ain't your nan's cooking, all right? We're talking simple, delicious, and nutritious recipes that even a chimp could make. No offense to the chimps out there. I'm talking about meals packed with flavor and good stuff that will have you feeling like you've turned back the clock. Get ready to ditch the takeaways and get back in the kitchen. We're going to make healthy eating a piece of cake, or should I say, a plate of deliciousness. First up, we're tackling the classic avocado toast. Now, before you roll your eyes and call it millennial food, hear me out. Avocado is packed with healthy fats that are good for your heart and brain. Plus, it keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Now, we're not messing about with any fancy sourdough here. Grab yourself some whole grain bread, toast it up, and give it a good smashing with a ripe avocado. A sprinkle of salt and pepper, a squeeze of lemon, and Bob's your uncle. You want to take it up a notch? A bit of chili flakes for a kick, or a poached egg for some extra protein. Don't be shy with the toppings, people. Easy, right? Even you lot can't muck this one up. Next up, we've got quinoa salad. This ain't your sad desk lunch salad, mate. This is a flavor explosion waiting to happen. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it's got all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's also packed with fiber, keeping you regular and your gut happy. Rinse your quinoa under cold water to get rid of any bitterness. Then, it's as simple as cooking it in a pot of boiling water, like you would with rice. While that's going, chop up your favorite veggies: tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, peppers, whatever you fancy. Once the quinoa is cooked, fluff it up with a fork and toss it in with your veggies. Now for the dressing. A simple lemon vinaigrette is all you need, but feel free to get creative. This salad will keep you full for hours, and it's perfect for meal prep. Chapter 3. Grilled Salmon. Get your omega-3 on. Let's talk about grilled salmon, shall we? This oily fish is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, brain function, and even good eyesight. Don't overthink this one, folks. Get yourself a nice salmon fillet, skin on for extra flavor, and season it generously with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Heat up a grill pan or a barbecue and grill the salmon skin side down for a few minutes until it's nice and crispy. Then flip it over and cook for another few minutes until it's cooked through. Serve it up with some roasted veggies or a simple salad, and you've got yourself a restaurant-quality meal that's good for you and bloody delicious. Chapter 4. Smoothie Bowl. A breakfast of champions. Over 40. Now, who's got time for a proper breakfast when you're trying to get out the door? That's where smoothie bowls come in handy. They're quick, easy, and packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. Start with a base of frozen fruit. Berries are always a good choice, but mango, banana, or pineapple work well too. Add in a handful of spinach or kale for some extra greens. You won't even taste them, I promise. Next, add in your liquid. Almond milk, coconut water, or even just plain old water will do. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Now for the fun part. Top your smoothie bowl with your favorite toppings: granola, nuts, seeds, fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 5. Veggie Stir Fry. Faster than a takeaway. Last but not least, we've got a veggie stir fry that's quicker and healthier than ordering takeout. This one's all about getting those good-for-you veggies into your diet. Heat up a wok or a large frying pan over high heat. Add in a drizzle of oil, then toss in your favorite chopped veggies: broccoli, carrots, snap peas, mushrooms, anything goes. Stir-fry the veggies for a few minutes until they're tender crisp. Then, add in a splash of soy sauce, some garlic, ginger, and chili if you like it spicy. Serve your stir-fry over brown rice or noodles for a complete meal. You can even add in some tofu or tempeh for extra protein. So there you have it, you lot. 5 easy, healthy recipes that even the most hopeless cook can master. No more excuses for reaching for those takeaways. Now, I want you to get in the kitchen and give these recipes a go. And don't forget to let me know how you get on in the comments below. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more healthy cooking inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video.